I thought I'd make a real quick video about an email I just got. It was a cool email. It's a bit of a surprise. Saved me $240 because I was thinking about buying Perplexity Pro. And I do use ChatGPT Plus. I pay the $20 a month. So I just got this email through Xfinity. I wasn't aware of it. I can't pay attention to everything, but I did get the email. Checked it out, and it works. It gives you 1 free year of Perplexity Pro. That's the paid edition for absolutely free. Didn't have to put your credit card in. Don't have to do anything. You just click. This is an email I got from Xfinity. See, it says unlock Perplexity Pro through Xfinity. Customers get 1 year. Unlock instant answers to your questions. And this is it right here. I got the email opened up. Get a code for 1 year Perplexity Pro through Xfinity. It's an advanced answer engine for complex questions, current events, and more provided by Perplexity. So all you do is unlock your access. Click that button. And you should get that through your email. And I have mine hooked up through my Google account. And all I did was click this, literally. And it transferred me over to Perplexity Pro. Let's see here. It says you've previously subscribed. This promotion is only valid for first-time subscribers. But all you do is click that link, and it's going to give you free access to Perplexity Pro. Like I said, it's $20 a month normally. That you're saving $240 for the year. So you cannot beat that. And you can see right here it works. You can see where it says a pro member right now. So that's it. So I'll be using this a lot for marketing to get current events, statistics, citations, and all that stuff. Make sure stuff that I produce or I need help with, when I'm writing blog posts or whatever, make sure my content's on par. It's spitting out truthful stuff. So what Perplexity is going to do is it could take all the content I create from ChatGPT Plus, like one of the large language models I use, the newest ones, verify the content, add links to it, and all that good stuff. That's what I'm going to use it for, and you can use it for anything. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Really good deal. Actually, one of the better deals I've seen. So it's giving you a whole year access to the Pro. Well, like I said, it was just $240 for absolutely free. So if you're an Xfinity customer, just check your emails or reach out to them. And if you didn't get one, an email, and then take advantage of that because it is free. And even if you can't afford the ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month, you can use this as a replacement for it, So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to show you something real quick. If you're doing internet marketing, I want to show you my email funnel generator. So if you're doing any type of marketing, you're using like we're talking about Perplexity Pro in this. You're using ChatGPT Plus. You're creating blog posts. You're creating any kind of content online, especially if you're doing email marketing. You're going to want to get your hands on this. It's a free 7-day high-converting email funnel generator used by top affiliates to drive sales in any niche. You're going to get my done-for-you email sequences and headlines that guide your readers toward taking action. Get started in minutes. No writing or text skills needed. You're going to get the email generator tool. I'm going to show you that real quick. You're also going to get my 7-day done-for-you sequences. Simply copy, paste, profit, and you're going to get, obviously, the headline generator, which is going to create high-converting headlines for all your email subject lines so they get open, read, which in turn makes you more money and profit. And this is the regular tool here. This is the upgrade. It's free, so definitely better to have this. So sign up. Link will be below. And this is the main tool right here. I have some tutorial videos on it. All you're going to do is enter your affiliate program details here. Put your affiliate link. Put your email goal. You click submit. And it's going to create storytelling emails right here that are going to be high converting in the style of one of the world's top copywriters in the world. So they're awesome emails. Check this out. It's a good tool to have in your back pocket. So back to Perplexity. So like I said, great deal. Absolutely free. It's going to save you $240. So if you're an Xfinity customer, I'm in the U.S. I'm assuming it's just for the U.S., but I have no idea how far it goes. I don't even know if Xfinity's in other countries. I have no clue. But if you're in the USA, you're an Xfinity customer, there's a free $240 for a 1-year subscription to Perplexity Pro. So take advantage of it. So that being said, thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you found value in this, like I said, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.